today, if you don't already know, we are doing an ASMR makeup tutorial. I hope this is ASMR enough. Before we go on with the brows, make sure you subscribe. Go subscribe right now. You know you want to see more of moi. Without further ado, let's get started. So as I said, going in with the brows. So I'm using the viewfinder. I'm literally so excited because this is gonna be my first YouTube video. Oh yeah, I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. Oh, bye! Using, you know, the trusty old, ever so famous Tarte Shape Tape. The camera is like bringing out like my inner self. So now, with my fancy E27 by Morphe, of course, this discontinued Morphe palette, the 35B. You know what? I'm going in with the green. Should I zoom you guys in? Okay. Oh my god. I'm first coming in with this green shade right. Where am I going on? Right here. It looks blue in the camera, but it's really green. Now I'm going in with my Morphe 433 brush into the lighter color. That's the blend. Ooh, look at that color. This looks so satisfying on camera. I have to keep my excitedness. Is it gonna focus? Oh, it focused! Oh, guys, look. I can use this brush to cut the crease. We're gonna go into this. Ooh, look at that. Just softening the edges. Tarte Shape Tape again on the back of my hand. And then I'm gonna go in with the brush and I'm gonna carve it out. Let's see if this is a good brush. The darker shade. And slowly tap it. Ooh. Yes, Hunty, look at that. Notch to the core. Which you should follow at Rachel_M.M or M.U.A. Link in bio or description. I'm going in with the infamous Lily lashes in the style Miami. They're such beautiful lashes ever. I'm using the House of Lashes glue. I'm gonna curl my lashes with my e.l.f. curler. Okay guys, here we go. Look at this, guys. Yes, honey. Okay guys, I'm gonna have to speed through my other eye. I'll be right back. Okay guys, we have to go super fast because the camera's about to die. I primed with the Hourglass Mineral Veil. As always, I'm gonna go with my Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation. You know, for the gram. Going in with my Maybelline, as always. Shit ton. The Maybelline powder is so good. Okay, so I'm going into my Tartelette. Alright guys, so as you already know, we're going into blush with the Laura Geller. Such a beautiful blush. So I'm just gonna smoking out the lash line with the lightest color. Take the lightest shade. Put that in my little corner. The other eye off camera. Okay guys, so I have my highlight on. So sorry that the camera died. I don't have another battery. I don't have a thing to charge it because it's a school's. But it's okay. So I'm highlighting right now. I love a good highlight. We want a strong highlight. And I forgot where is an ASMR for a sec. This Ofra highlight is beautiful. Alright guys, sorry that the video is like tilted. I didn't know how to fix it, but I hope you guys like this video. Literally, I'm obsessed with the editing. If you guys are interested, I used iMovie. So be sure to subscribe and comment down below what you want to see next. Slay Hunties!